Hello and welcome to the 13th episode of Mr. HTML Teacher. This is my third tutorial today, so I'm going to now show you how to create a professionally looking web banner without navigation buttons or bar. So let's get started. Now I'm going to set mine by 1000 by 100 as by 200 as I've already set my web banners. As I showed you in the previous tutorial, simply duplicate the layer and then change the colour to whatever colour you want. I'm going to go ahead and change it to one of my favourite colours, which is this one, and there's obviously a simple web banner. I'm not going to create text before I do this one. I'm going to add my new layer, and I'm going to go and I'm going to find some birds. Now as you can see, that looks quite professional if it was say a website based on birds or some kind of holiday lodge type thing, and then simply add in the text beside it. I'm going to take off the styles for this one, choose that one, delete that layer, and we'll start again. Travel UK. You can have obviously whatever your company name is on here. I'm just going to set it as Travel UK, and then just underneath I'm going to have my short slogan at a smaller font size of 60. Sorry, let's do that like that instead of doing all that fussing, and then put it at 60, short slogan. Now obviously any slogan is probably going to be bigger than the name itself. Now to be completely honest, that looks quite good and professional designed to me, but some of you may think not. So I'm going to just add in a few more brush effects just to make it a little bit more professional, and I am going to, sorry no, that was the wrong one. I'm going to add in birds sitting along the bottom. Obviously this can be repeated to make it look even better, and that looks even more professional than it did before. Obviously you can move up your text and move up short slogan too. Now I've made a mistake there, not even realised it myself, but short slogan isn't where it should have been. So I'm going to not create a new layer and just go by this 60 short slogan here, select all and shorten it down to 60, and then and paste it again. Sorry, copy and paste, just so it'll look a little bit bigger. Now if you want to add in another brush, we'll obviously add in a new layer and go to the brush effect. I've set it already, and there's a little bird sitting on the bottom. Zoom in on that a bit, get our brush tool back up, no, good effect. But obviously if you have it like that and then like that, it's quite obvious. Right, there's your short banner. Obviously you can design it any way you want. Obviously that's not going to be up there, but you can obviously see how professional it looks. I'm going to take that away. I'm going to stick with this travel and just change what type of style I've got. I can find my paint swatches. Now I think this one will go even better. And then let me undo that. New layer. Find a better one than that. See, that looks quite good. Obviously you can have whatever logo you want, but if you want it to look professionally designed and with a good type of effect, then obviously stick with it. I do have all sorts of things here, like I have that one that can go over the dove, and then just use my layers. Obviously can be whatever you want it to be, and there you have it, a simple but effective web banner created in Adobe Photoshop. The next tutorial will be up tomorrow evening around 6, so be sure to check it out and subscribe so you can get that video, and thanks for watching.